Hello and welcome back. We now discuss question number 6 from exercise 8.4. The question says defects on plywood sheet occur at random with an average of one defect per 50 square feet. So the average number of defect is 1, right? Find the probability that such a sheet has no defect, at least one defect. Right, and we have been given that e raised to minus 1 is equal to 0.3678. Now we know that number of defects could be infinite, right? So this is an example of Poisson's distribution. So number of defects can vary from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So this is an example related to Poisson's distribution. Now here we have been given the average number of defects. So that is m. So m is the average number of defects, per 50 square feet. Now this value has been given as 1. Okay, and let x represent the number of defects. So let x denote the number of defects, and we have to obtain the probability of no defect, that is x is equal to 0. Now we know that for a Poisson's distribution, the probability function, that is p of x, is given by e raised to minus m into m raised to x upon x factorial. So the first case is probability of no defect. Alright, so probability of no defect means that we have to obtain p at x equal to 0. So let us substitute all these values. So we have e raised to minus m, that is minus 1, into m, that is 1 raised to x, x is 0, divided by 0 factorial. Now e raised to minus 1 is 0.3678. So here we have 0.3678 into, now 1 raised to 0 is 1, 0 factorial is also 1. So our final answer is 0.3678. Now the second case here is at least one defect. So the second case is probability of at least one defect. That is p of x greater than or equal to 1. Right? So it could be one defect, or it could be two defects, or it could be three defects, and so on. Now this could be simply obtained by 1 minus probability of no defect. And since we've already calculated p of x equal to 0 over here, 0.3678, so we use this value over here directly. So this would be 1 minus 0.3678. Now this we have obtained from the first case. So if we perform this subtraction, 1 minus 0.3678, we get the answer as 0.6322. 0.6322. So this is the required probability value.